Hello, I'm Gary Mumford and I'm the MD of Armoury Productions Limited, and I'd like to introduce you to one of our blank firing weapons which we make available to our clients in the film, TV and theatre industries, show it to you. This is a VZ61 Skorpion, beloved of close protection guards and terrorists. It's a very neat little package. It's more of a machine pistol than it is a submachine gun. This one in fact fires or did fire a 7.65 Browning round, and now of course it only fires a 7.65 Browning blank. It has all the features, of course, of the real gun. It cocks, holds open on an empty magazine, so make the working parts go forward. It fires, so very realistic. However, we have made some changes to it in order to make it legal and safe for us to use on location and on set. We've disabled and deactivated the barrel in a couple of ways. Firstly, we've put a couple of blockages in it which won't allow the passage of a live round, but will allow the passage of gas and flash, just enough to make a realistic muzzle flash and a little muzzle smoke on camera, because this will this will cycle as a blowback gun using the energy that's stored excuse me, inside the blank round. It will fire semi-auto and auto, so it's very realistic. It's very loud, and altogether is a very effective piece of kit for either bodyguards, as I say, or terrorists, or no, that'll do, bodyguards or terrorists. We have lots of these in stock because they're very popular. It strips and fires, certainly strips as a real one would. I'll only demonstrate that briefly. I won't take it all apart, but you can see all the actions available, and it's very realistic. So if you'd like to hire some VZ61 Skorpions, then please give me a call on the telephone number on the website, and I'll see how I can help you. Thank you for your time.